Hello again, crafty friends. I have a different type of video for you today. Today's video features 5 crafty products that I love. These are my tried and true staples that I've used for quite some time. These products are inexpensive and can elevate any card. I will be sharing card examples for each product. If you are interested in the cards I share, there will be a blog link in the description below that will have all these cards linked for more information. So let's jump right in with the first product, and that is black and white glossy cardstock. I think any specialty cardstock can elevate a card, but I have been loving using black and white glossy cardstock lately. I love the shine it gives. As you can see, I'm almost out of black glossy and need to order some more. These are 100 pound in weight. They come in packs of 8.5 by 11, or you can get smaller packs of A2 sized. There are many ways to incorporate this into your card making. The first is to die cut it like I did here on this Halloween card. I cut the wreath from black glossy cardstock, the ghost from white glossy cardstock, and also the boo die cut word. It's such an easy way to add some shine and catch your eye. It gives a look similar to clear heat embossing without the effort. On the next card, I use it to die cut the whipped cream on all of these pies. It makes that small die cut really pop. One of my favorite things to use these glossy cardstocks for is to use them when hot foiling, like I did on these sympathy cards. It gives such beautiful results. I did a previous video on a card set I created where I hot foiled on black glossy cardstock. I will link to that video below down in the description. Also, since these cardstocks are 100 pound in weight, you can use them to create card bases from. The other side is white, which is perfect for the inside of the card. The next product is Glossy Accents or Crystal Glaze. I've used both and they're very similar. Any clear dimensional medium can really make a card element stand out. Here I used some glossy accents on the berries of this Christmas card. Here is a die cut that I didn't use any glossy accents on, so you can see the difference. The one on the left stands out much more than the one on the right. I also used glossy accents on some of these purple and orange berries on the Halloween card, as well as these hearts on the birdhouse card. I love that it gives shine, but also dimension. The third product that I love is this black Glaze Pen. This is a new pen, so I could show you it comes with a plastic piece at the point that you remove. This black Glaze Pen gives some shine and dries pretty quick. My favorite way to use it is for critters' eyes. I used it on all 3 of these ornament cards for the eyes. Here is a side-by-side comparison of the difference with and without the glaze. The one on the right has no glaze versus the one on the left with glaze. It's hard to pick up on camera, but it makes a huge difference and makes those eyes really pop. The fourth product I love is this Nuvo Shimmer Pen in glitter gloss. This comes in a pack of 2. There are a variety of shades, but I use the glitter gloss the most. It adds a clear coat of shine that makes any image sparkle. Here is an example on these balloons. Also, side note, notice that sentiment, another example of the black glossy cardstock that I mentioned before. Okay, back to the shimmer pen. I also added a layer on this ornament for some sparkle, as well as the leaves on this image. Another thing to keep in mind is when the pen runs low on liquid, you can always fill it back up with water and watercolor with it to add some sparkle to your watercoloring. The final product I wanted to share is this Many Hearts Party Die and the Many Stars Party Die. These dies make the perfect embellishments. I like to cut them from specialty cardstock, and I love that so many cuts at once in different sizes. I use them so often that I keep all the extras in a bowl on my desk. Here I cut the Many Stars Party Die from holographic cardstock for this birthday card, and here I use the hearts die on this birdhouse card. I've also created a card set using the entire die as part of the pattern. These 2 dies are staples in my craft room. So there you have it, my top 5 products that can elevate your card making. I've linked to all the supplies mentioned in the description below, as well as my blog link with much more information. I hope you give one of these products a try. I know you will love them. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.